Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to show you on how to get started with creating a menu as efficiently as possible using the hierarchy in Unreal Motion Graphics. So to start with making a menu, it can be one of these things that almost feels like grunt work, especially when you get right down into it. And I know that it's not necessarily my strong point, but really what I want to say is this right here: failing to plan is planning to fail, really. So to save time, it really helps, and my handwriting is absolutely terrible. If you can even just map out on a sketch out kind of your menu system, how it's going to be. So like in this particular case, let's say it's going to be 3 pages. So I have an idea, I'm going to have a menu page, an audio control page, and then a help page. So I just kind of get a rough idea of what I'm going to need and map it out like this, and then draw it out and get it clear in your mind and think it through, and then go into maybe Excel or another document and then write down exactly what you're going to need to create this. So in my particular case, it's going to all be based on a widget switcher, and then I'm going to need a canvas, a vertical box, and map out each component that you're going to need for each page, and then kind of total those all up. So for instance, I'm going to need one widget switcher, like you're going to make a grocery list and you're going to go to the store and buy everything you need to make this menu. So you'd go to the grocery store with a list. So I'm going to need one widget switcher, 3 canvases, I'm going to need 3 vertical boxes, so total up everything that you're going to need on each page. Once you've got that all ready to go with your totals, then just come into Unreal Engine and go user interface, widget blueprint, user widget, and then we're just going to come in here and I'm going to dock this, and I'm going to just show you how easy using the hierarchy you can get. Like if you didn't plan it out, if you're just kind of doing it on the fly, it could take forever. But if you know exactly what you want and you've thought it through, this process will go so much faster and it will be so much more efficient. I'll just kind of walk you through how I would do this. So I'm going to do a widget switcher, so that's the first thing I need. So I'll just drag it down to the timeline, to the hierarchy I mean. And then I know I need 3 canvases, so then I type in canvas and I just drag this down here, and then I just click on it and hit Control D. You can right click too to duplicate, but it's faster just to hit Control D, so it can't be any faster. And then let's say I know I'm going to need vertical boxes, so I'll type in vertical box and I can just drag these on. It's whatever's faster for you. So now I got my vertical boxes. I know in total I'm going to need 8 buttons with text. So I'm going to just do button and drag that down here. I'll just drag it down here for right now. And I know I'm going to need text on each button, so I'll go text and drag that on there. And then I'll close this up, and I know that I need actually 7 of them. So then I'll just hit Control D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know on this page I'm going to need 4 of those buttons, so I'll just select these and drag them into the vertical box because I know that's where they're going to need to go. And I know 2 buttons are going to go on this page, so I just drag it into there. And now I know this button is going to go in there. And then whatever else I need, if I know I need spacers, I'm going to need 8 spacers. I'll just go spacers, drag it down here, hit Control D. I need 8 of them. Control D, Control D, Control D, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the first page, I think I need 4, so I'll just drag those in. On the second page, I think I need 2 or 3. And I'll drag those in. Let me look at my notes here. 4 spacers, yeah. So I guess I need 1 more. And then I have my, oops, I didn't mean to parent that. There we go. Okay, so then that's how fast. And then I know I'm going to need, like, let's say 1 slider too. A slider. And then I can just drag this on down here too, onto my vertical box. And that's how fast you can create your menu system. But it helps to just be organized in the first place. So this is just a tip for getting started on creating these menus. So by copying and pasting and duplicating, having your menu thought out in advance, you can really cut the time almost in half, if not. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.